Oh, sorry about that, folks. Today on World Famous Foods, collard greens. I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so let's cut up our greens. So, let's see here. Some of these, the stems are already cut off, but you can also do it where you fold it this way. You cut this off right here. And do that too, and just fold them. This. I'm gonna roll them. Don't need this. Just cut them this way. Okay, now we're gonna wash our greens. Some water. Now we're going to use some vinegar. It's going to also be like a little marinating also. Now we got some seasonal, some seasoned salt. Okay, now we got our water boiling, we're going to put our greens in. Now, of course, what's going to happen is the greens are going to shrink because of the hot water, which is good. Okay, so now we're going to add some onions and garlic, Serrano peppers, bay leaves, and we got to smoke ham hock. Now some better than bouillon. So this one is the seasoned vegetable base. Now we're gonna let this cook for a couple hours. We almost forgot our secret ingredient, ginger. Trust me on this. All right, it's been over 2 hours. Here we go. Ham hock, I went ahead and cut it up. And here's the finished product, folks. Our world famous foods collard green 2023. In case you didn't know how to make it, now you do. Enjoy.